Hello, my name is Chris. This is Learn British English Free on YouTube. This is the start of a new series of videos I'm going to make about pronunciation. I'm going to take some of the phonetic sounds of English and make a poem about them in order that I can help you practice to get them correct. I will take one or two of the phonemic sounds at a time, and I will call them phonemic poems. This is phonemic poem number 1. I'll be reading it in my British accent, and the sound I've chosen for this first poem is the R sound. R. Like you are at the dentist's or you see something cute. R. Like far, car, start. All these words have this R sound. Please read with me. You can use captions, or you can find the poem in the description or using the link. Let's try it together. Hat, hot, heart. The hurt has started. Yawn, yearn, yarn. The fear has parted. Car can't start. Glass on grass. Tat, tort, tart. Fast can pass. For or far, the past can't last. Charm friends with this classy blast. That was phonemic poem 1, the R sound, by me, Chris. Please let me know what you think about this. You should read it again to help you practice get the sound right. And I included other sounds so you can hear the difference. Good luck. Please leave a comment with your feedback. That would be great. I will post more of these soon on Learn British English on YouTube, on my website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk, and on the British English page on Facebook. Please follow those different sites. They are all free, and I will see you then. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.